Okay, students, now we have drawn the PPC for full employment and unemployment. Now let's come to question number 1. Explain the meaning of full production and underemployment. Meaning of full production and underemployment. So we'll write the answer. Meaning of full production and underemployment. Okay, right. We'll write the answer for this. Unit 1. Handout 4. Question number 1. Okay. Unit 1. Handout 4. Question number 1. Full production and underemployment. Right. So write down. The situation where all the resources are utilized. The situation where all the resources are utilized is situation where all the resources are utilized by fulfilling the physical needs of the people optimum. The situation where all the resources are utilized by fulfilling the physical needs of the people optimum. By fulfilling the physical needs of the people optimum is called as full production. The situation where all the resources are utilized by fulfilling the physical needs of the people optimum is called as full production. So what do you mean by this? Now, allocating all the available resources fully is not the only important thing here. When we allocate all the available resources fully, we want to make sure that people who get these resources get the maximum satisfaction. Understood? When all the available resources are allocated fully, another important thing is to be considered here. What is that? All the available resources must be allocated fully by satisfying the physical needs of the people optimum. Are you okay with this? So what is full production? The situation where all the resources are utilized by fulfilling the physical needs of the people optimum is called as full production. எல்லா ரிசோர்ஸஸையும் நாங்க ஃபுல்லா யூட்டிலைஸ் பண்ணணும். எப்படி யூட்டிலைஸ் பண்றேன்டா, அங்க உள்ள ஆட்களோட நீட்ஸ் அண்ட் வாண்ட்ஸ் வந்து பெர்ஃபெக்ட்டா ஃபுல்ஃபில் ஆகும். அப்பதான் that is full production. If the resources are not satisfying the needs of the people optimum, that is underemployed. So we can simply say the opposite of full production is underemployed. But in your unit 11 about the underemployment, several things we are learning later when you go to grade 13, unit 11. Here, just understand underemployment is the opposite of full employment, full production. Sorry. If you want to show the full production in your PPC, suppose if they ask full production, very simple, show as you show the full employment. If you want to show the underemployment, show as you show as unemployed. No need to draw this. Understand like this. Full production, how to show? Just like you show the full employment. How to show the underemployment? Just like you show unemployment. The unemployment எப்படி காட்டும் அதே மாதிரி தான் underemployment காட்டும். Okay? Full employment எப்படி காட்டும் அதே மாதிரி தான் full production காட்டும். So this point. All right, now before going to the next one, let's do a small practice. So write down this. Write down this. Show the following events using PPC. Okay, for each one small PPC, you have to draw. First one, an economy that produces computer and TV experiences a full employment. An economy that produces computer and TV experiences a full employment. Experiences a full employment. How to show this? Two products are there. One is TV, the other one is computer. Sometimes in the exam, they will mention TV in the vertical axis, computer in the horizontal axis, like that, they will mention. In most of the cases, they don't mention, then you can freely select anything you want. So I'll take TV in the vertical axis, computer in the horizontal axis. Then draw the PPC. What is told here? An economy that produces computer and TV experiences a full employment. So full employment point should be somewhere at that level. Is it okay for you all? Okay. Now the second one. an economy faces an unemployment. An economy faces an unemployment. Here, they have not mentioned what are the products they are making. If they have not mentioned the name of the product, then you can put X and Y. If they have not mentioned the name of the product, you can put X and Y. Unemployed. How to show? X, Y. Okay, this is the one, unemployed. Clear? Now here, since they have not mentioned the product, you can put X in the horizontal axis, Y in the vertical axis. They mention the product. Sometimes what they will do, only one product they will mention, and the other one, either X or Y, you can put. Let's come to the third part. There is a greater utilization of resources in a country. There is a greater utilization of resources in a country. So what do you mean by this greater utilization of resources? So when you come across this term, greater utilization of resources means what? Before this, resources were not fully utilized. Resources use in the question. Now it is going to be used. When the meaning? See this. You don't want to memorize this diagram, sir. Please don't memorize anything. Situation answers. Two products will put X and Y. Greater utilization of resources. The order resources full use use unemployment is moving towards the full employment. Moving. You have to show an arrow mark. Very good. Unemployment to full employment. Understood? Unemployment to full employment. Fourth one, the country can produce either 400 units of mobile phone or 600 units of radios. See this, the country can produce either 400 units of mobile phone or 600 units of radios. For country 400 units mobile phone produce panna eluma. Abadi illanda 600 units radios produce panna. This is romba careful icon in answer. I show radio in the vertical axis, mobile phone in the horizontal axis. You can show oppositely or no problem, right? Romba careful the indirect meaning of a country can produce either 400 units of mobile phone or 600 units of radio. But 400 units mobile phone produced panina radio production say that's the meaning. A country can produce either 400 units of mobile phone or 600 units of radio. 600 units radio were produced panna mobile phone ela. Icham careful the answer panna. Radio how much maximum? 600 no. This is 600. It is corner 400. So what do you mean by that? This is 0 no? Mobile phone mattum produce pannanda maximum 400, radio 0. Radio mattum produce pannanda maximum 600, mobile phone 0. See whether it's clear. Here we don't mark the point. The production point on delay. Either 600 units of radio or 400 units of mobile phone. I will give you the next one. Other than I'm pointing right? So 600 radio, 400 mobile phone. 600 radio, otherwise 400 mobile phone. Now see the fifth one. Country produces 100 units of tea and 300 units of now see the fifth one. What is the difference between the fifth question and the fourth one? Fourth one, country produces either 400 units of mobile phone or 600 units of radio. 400 mobile phone da 600 radio ela. 600 radio da 400 mobile phone ela. And a fifth one, a country produces 100 units of tea and 300 units of sugar. At rate time 100 tea and 300 sugar. 100 tea and 300 sugar. Then how to show? See this tea, sugar, 100 tea. No? So you can say a production point somewhere here. You can select anywhere, right? No problem. Not taking the scale. This is 100. This is 300. Fourth to fifth difference clear. Fourth one, country produces either 400 units of mobile phone or 600 units of radio. Radio and mobile phone radio. Maximum. Fifth one, 100 units of tea and 300 units of sugar. 100 tea and 300 sugar, more time to produce one. Did you understand the fifth one? So please try this quick. First one, unemployment of the country further increases. Now see, This is unemployment. If it is further increasing, it's moving further inside. Second one, country faces full employment and producing more rice and less cloth. Rice, cloth. More rice means closer to rice, the production point. More cloth in the sense closer to cloth, production point. Third one, country produces either 50 units of computer or 100 of TV. It's a computer TV. So how it will be? This is 50. This is 100. Okay, this is 50 and this is 100. Fourth one, a country produces 300 of X and 500 of Y. Two products, X and Y. 300 of X and 500 of Y. A particular production point we take. This is 500. This is 300. 300 of X and 500 of Y. 300 of X and 500 of Y. So everybody understood all these things? However, I will just revise this in the next class and continue the further things. But as much as possible, we clarified everything. So if there is any problem later in the group even, you can ask. Okay. So with this point, today's session we will wind up. So if there is a cover-up class in advance, I will inform you. So those who wanted to participate, please participate. Okay. So with this point, we stop. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.